Welcome back, dear students. Now we study. Now we are studying the alternative procedure of the contingency table. I think so. 2 or 3 videos before we studied the contingency table, its procedure, and also how this test is implemented on the problem. Now this test is those procedure which we understand in the previous video. This procedure is too long, but the alternative procedure which we are studied now is a slightly short related to the previous. If we relate it to the previous, now all these things which we studied in the contingency table mean first point is we formulate the null and alternative hypothesis, and in the second point find out the significance level. In the third test is the test statistics. The only difference between previous contingency procedure and today which we are studied the third step, that is the test statistics test. In the third step we replace as compute summation I Oij square over Ai for each column. Here Oij means the observed value which are given in a problem, and Ai shows the rows of the table that are given in a problem, and those results which makes from this we denote as Tj, capital Tj. And in the second step we compute Tj square over Bi with summation sign and denoted as capital R. And in the third step, which are the most important, we formulate the chi-square by computing, which is equal to capital R minus 1 into small n. Capital R shows the value of second point, and n shows the total marginal of the problem. Now we seen a problem. We will see a problem, problem number 17.17. This problem we already learned, but we here solve this problem by alternative way. 492 candidates for scientific post gave particulars of their university degree and their hobbies. The degrees were in either maths, chemistry or physics, and the hobbies could be classified roughly as music, craftswork, reading or drama. The data are presented concisely in the following contingency table. Categories are in the column format: maths, chemistry and physics we elaborate, and the music, craftswork, reading and drama are in the horizontal format. These are the total of this row, and these are the columns total, and this point is the marginal which we represented recently n for this. This is the total marginal. These all problems given in a problem discuss the association between the two criteria of classification, that is the degrees and the hobbies. These are the hobbies and these are the degrees. Now we start with the previous working that we are studied. We formulate the null and alternative hypothesis simply, and H naught the two variable criteria of the classification are independent, and second one is H1, the two variable criteria of the classification are not independent, mean they are associated. And in the second step, choose the significance level alpha is equal to 0.05. But in the third step, we applying this formula for in a previous video, but here we use, instead of this formula, we use the alternative formula like this, which we are studied. Now this is the third step, test statistics. Students, first of all, be kept in mind this point, OIJ whole square. OI stands for the observed values, and these are all the observed values. Okay, and AI shows the rows sum, and BI shows the columns sum, that is this. Now see this. First one is, what is, find T1. T1, dear students, I denotes the row, I denotes the row, and J denotes column. Columns. OIJ, first value is, now let's see, first value is OIJ, mean O11, 24. This is the 24 square over AI, mean the sum of first row. I already say I shows the row and J shows the column, you understand. 24 square over AI shows the total sum, I shows the rows over 124, mean 24 square over 124, like we write this. Similarly, plus 11, next one is 11 square over this total AI, 11 square over 101, plus 32 next square over 187 AI, plus 10 square over 80, 10 square over 80. These are the T1. T1 mean, I already say TJ, J shows the column, mean we move to the column wise. J, TJ, this relation shows TJ, and means we move about the column wise. 24 square divided by 124, 11 square divided by 101, 32 square over 187, 10 square over 80. And now sum up, solve this, and answer is 12.5691. And similarly find out T2. T2 mean 83 square over 124 plus 62 square over 101, 121 square over 187, 26 square over 80, and we write similarly this, and sum up this, and similarly for the last, and result will come this. Now in the second step we solve TJ square, mean these T1, T2, T3, these are the values, and we taking the square and divided by BI. BI shows the column sum. BI, this is a B1, this is a B2, and B3. B1 sum is 77, B2 sum is 292, and B3 sum is 123. Students, let's see, mean TJ mean T1 12.5691 divided by 17, and we kept in mind this formula, plus 180.3600 divided by 292, and similarly 40.4748 divided by 123. This is the B3 sum, and solving these and answer will comes 1.11. This is the value of R. Now the computation for the chi-square is equal to capital R minus 1 into n. Capital R is 1.11 minus 1, and value of small n is 492, and solving this answer will comes 54.12. This is the computation value of the contingency table for chi-square, and this is similar with the procedure which we are studied in the previous video, and its result is also 54.06, but now in the alternative test 54.12. And now after this point we will study we will go to the fourth point, that is the critical region, just like the previous, and in the fifth step find out the acceptance or rejection region, and in the sixth step you find out the conclusion, just like the previous problem. Hopefully you understand this alternative procedure of contingency table. Now the next important example is show that, example number 17.18, show that in a 2 by 2 contingency table wherein frequencies are A, B, C, D tabulated in this format, the value of the chi-square calculated on the hypothesis of the independence is given by chi-square, which is equal to this. These things are given in a problem. Now we have to show that this results come by computing these 2 by 2 table. Now let's see how these results come by computing these by using this table and applying the formula of the contingency table. The following 2 by 2 contingency table are, how we will make this table? A, B, C, D are given, which is the values of the attributes or characteristics, and we check from this thing. 2 by 2 contingency table means there are two rows and 2 columns, and these A1 A2 shows the rows and B1 B2 shows the column. 2 rows and 2 columns. We write similarly as A B C D, and when we sum up, in the total we sum up about the horizontal A plus B, C plus D, and sum up about the columns A plus C and B plus D. And in this place we total sum up mean marginal, which is equal to normally n. Under these hypotheses we calculate the expected frequencies. We expected frequencies EIJ we denoted as, and I is from 1 to 2 and J is from also 1 to 2. As first one we find, dear students, these are the O11, mean first row and first column are the observed value. This is the 1 2 mean first row and second column. This is the second row and first column, and also this is the second row and second column. And similarly we find out the expected values like the observed values. How we will find the expected values? You know the formula for the expected values: Eij, Ai, the ith rows, and Bj, jth column, divided by small n, total marginal. This is the formula to find out the expected value in a contingency table. Now E11 about this shows find out the sum ai shows this sum, and bj shows this sum. A plus b plus ai shows this sum for O11, a plus b, and bj shows this sum, a plus c, and divided by total a plus b plus c plus d. And similarly related about this O12, this is the observed value, and its corresponding its expected value is E12, and which is the row a plus b and multiply b plus d divided by total. And find out this similarly for this and this. Mean E21 mean a plus c into c plus d divided by total, and E22 mean b plus d for this, b plus d into c plus d over total this. These are the expected values, and hence we are choosing this formula, Oij minus Eij whole square over Eij. These find out the computations by using this formula. This is the test statistics formula for the contingency table. Now similarly we added this Oij, mean first we add O11 mean a minus E11 mean a minus this value, a plus c into a plus b over a plus b plus c plus d whole square divided by Eij, mean E11. This is also repeat. Let's see, students. A, just like this chi-square, we add first we for I and then j. For first value O11, a minus E11 value of this, and write this, and write also this, and whole square according to this formula, and plus for O11 mean b minus Oij shows O12 mean b minus similarly for b E1 O12 shows b minus for E12 value this, and whole square divided by this, and write about O21 and O22 as this. And now in the next step, just a simplification, we are taking the common AD minus BC whole square over A plus B plus C plus D from above each of the relations, and then remaining are 1 over a plus c into a plus b plus 1 over b plus d into a plus b plus 1 over a plus c into c plus b and plus 1 over b plus d into c plus d. Now also more simplification of this, and this makes, we cancel this relation with this, and remaining required result is ad minus b square bc whole square into this over this. This is the these things which we prove, which we say the proof for this problem. Hopefully you understand the alternative test for the contingency table and also understand this type of the problem. If you have any problem, then write in the comment box. Okay, Allah Hafiz.